In asset-intensive industries, infrastructure spending never stops. Thousands of work orders, constant maintenance and improvement, and one critical tax question for every dollar spent: repair or capitalize, deduct now or depreciate over time. For many teams, the process is still manual, disconnected data pulls, spreadsheets layered with judgment, and long review cycles just to defend a single classification. It's time for a better way. Welcome to Lucasys Tax Repairs. Automatically evaluate spending across lines of business, work orders, and asset additions, applying consistent rules to classify costs as repairs or improvements. Connect directly to your source systems, keeping tax aligned with accounting data and eliminating reconciliation headaches. Every classification is fully traceable from the original transaction to the final tax position, creating a clear, audit-ready trail. And with built-in analytics, you can see the impact instantly by company, line of business, or asset class. Less manual work, more consistent decisions, and greater confidence in every tax position. Lucasys Tax Repairs. Automated workflows for asset-intensive industries.